Clank. This is going to be pretty. I like playing as Clank, but the problem is that he is too slow. Way too slow for me. Can't collect ammo. Oh, we can. And we meet these guys again.
Gadgetbots can't climb, but you can use your enter command to send them into the bot ports.
Follow me, my children. We have lots of killing to do. Oh, one of them died. That sucks. I need to go back. I'm just going to kill this guy first. Get these. You can enter already. I also can jump, so no, I can't jump, and I don't have any patience to jump, so if they can transport themselves, why can't I?
Use the enter command to make the gadgetbots activate the bot device. The bot device will activate when the correct number of bots have entered it.
I think we need to find 6 gadgetbots. Maybe 8, I don't know. I like having my own battalion. Don't mess with me. Yeah, it's 6. Hello. You you to wait here. Oh crap, that wasn't fair. Wait, I command you. Okay. Also, it's in this place that we can upgrade our hit points. It's a bit further ahead. I mean, it's not the first time we visit this planet. We must be playing as a Ratchet. And here's the magnet boots.
These magnet boots are a device designed for climbing special metal surfaces. However, your feet appear to be too small to equip them.
But we're not still done with clanking this level. We have one more segment to do. And if we ever want Ratchet to be able to come to this level, we need to finish it. In other words, it's mandatory. Oh, my guy's bot died. Good thing I'm still in the beginning of this segment. Come to Papa. Kids, don't touch the bombs, let Dada do it. Bombs are dangerous, they can kill you. Now get away, kids. We don't want anything bad to happen to you, right? Also watch out for the bombs coming from high above. They can be dangerous. think there are any more gadget bots in this place. Now let's see where the lasers are coming from. We can go. Come children, come with me. No! Okay. So where can I go to? I know I advance slowly in this part, but it's for my own safety. I have 6. Is it only 6 that we need? I think we're safe right now. Why are you waiting? I did not order you to wait. Yeah, it's only 6. Thank God. Now all of you enter. You are good children. Now attack. Cause a lot of pain. Now I'm going to form a battalion. How many have I right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then we need 5 more. Oh, bastard! You destroyed some of my children. Oh, crap. Why do you do that? What are you doing? Follow me. Oh, I'm going to die. Oh, what the hell? I died. I never died in this segment. What the hell? I don't get this. I die these when I'm recording. This is so freaking stupid. It's payback time, isn't it, children? Die. Reddy's flying. Seems legit. Attack. I don't want anyone standing. Attack. Now let's go get the other ones. I'm going to resurrect them. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we have all 10. Just look at this battalion following me. But now I need to say goodbye, my children. It was nice. I lived this 3.5 minutes with you. Oh, sleepy.
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
Don't worry guys, we'll see that soon enough. But I do understand Clank when he says that Ratchet shouldn't see that one. And you will understand that pretty soon.
Hey! You giving me these or not?
They are magnetic. I appear to be stuck to them.
Oh. What do you have in there?
Gears, metal filings, dust.
You know what I mean. What is it?
I will show you this, but you must promise to stay focused on our mission.
Is it something about Quark?
Cities are full of smog, swamps are full of muck, and tar pits are full of tar. But here at Joe I Resort, the sun shines 24 hours a day. Visitors get a free O2 mask to explore our warm waters. The benign marine life will welcome you to the big blue world under the sea. You can also use our complimentary flippers to partake in speed swimming. So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
July Resort, Pokitaru.
I knew it.
Oh, come on. Switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your mouth shut.
Before going to Pokitaru, we're first going to Battalion and finish it.